Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Morning Muse, your favorite channel to learn English easily and confidently. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important and useful topics, how to introduce yourself in English. Whether you are at school, in a job interview, or meeting someone new, a good introduction always creates a great first impression. So, let's begin step by step and learn how to talk about ourselves clearly and confidently. When we meet someone for the first time, the most common question is, "Can you tell me about yourself?" or "Please introduce yourself." Many learners feel nervous at the moment because they don't know what to say or how to start. After watching this lesson, you will be able to give your self-introduction smoothly and naturally. Let's start with the basics, your name and greetings. You can begin with a polite greeting such as good morning, good afternoon, or hello, nice to meet you. Then say your name clearly. For example, hello, my name is Rusha, or hi, I am Rusha. It's always a good idea to smile and make eye contact when introducing yourself. This shows confidence and friendliness. Next, talk about where you are from. You can say, I am from Bengaluru, or I was born and raised in Bengaluru. This part helps others to connect with you and start small talk about your city or country. Now let's move to education. If you are a student, you can say, I am currently studying English literature at the University of Bengaluru. If you have already completed your studies, say, I completed my master's degree in English literature from the University of Bengaluru in 2014. Adding your educational background gives a clear idea about your interest and skills. After that, you can talk about your job or work experience. For example, I have been teaching English for more than 10 years in private coaching centers and 2 years in a government school. If you are doing content writing or freelancing, you could say, I also have 4 years of experience in academic and creative content writing. This shows your professional background and helps others understand what you do. Next, talk about your skills and strengths. You can say, I am good at communication, writing, and motivating students to learn better. If you are preparing for interviews, you can add, my strength is that I am patient, hardworking, and always willing to learn new things. Remember, confidence in your words is more important than the length of your introduction. After that, mention your hobbies and interest. You can say, in my free time, I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and spending time with my family. Or, I love creating educational videos to help others learn English easily. Talking about hobbies adds a personal touch to your introduction and makes you sound more friendly. You can also talk about your future goals or dreams. For example, in the future, I want to become a professional writer and inspire people thoughts by my words. Or my goal is to help as many students as possible speak English confidently. Goals show that you are positive, ambitious, and focused. Now let's put it all together. Here's a sample full introduction you can practice. Good morning everyone. my name is Rusha. I am from Bengaluru, India. I completed my master's degree in English literature from the University of Bengaluru in 2014. I have over 10 years of experience teaching English in private coaching centers and 2 years in a government school. I also work as a content writer, creating academic and creative materials for students. I am passionate about education and communication, and I love helping others improve their English skills. In my free time, I enjoy reading, writing, and spending time with my family. My goal is to continue learning and to inspire others to use English confidently in their daily lives. That's how you can build a perfect self-introduction. To sound fluent, practice speaking in front of a mirror or record yourself. Don't worry about small mistakes. Focus on being clear and confident. Remember, good English is not about using good or big words, but about expressing your thoughts simply and correctly. Now, let's practice pronunciation together. Repeat after me. My name is Rusha. I am from Bengaluru. I work as a teacher. I enjoy reading and writing. My goal is to become a successful teacher and content writer. Practicing like this daily for just 10 minutes will improve your fluency and confidence. Before we end, here are a few bonus tips. Use short and clear sentences. Smile and maintain eye contact. Avoid speaking too fast. Use your hands naturally when you talk. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You can do it. So, that's all for today's lesson on how to introduce yourself in English. I hope you found this class useful and easy to follow. Practice these sentences every day, and soon you will be speaking like a natural English speaker. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to Miss Morning Muse, and share this video with your friends who want to learn English. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class. Until then, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep speaking English with confidence.